Yo, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to resell on different platforms like eBay, OfferUp, Go, things like that. A lot of people when they first start reselling, they only want to focus on like one thing, so say like Instagram or Snapchat. And if you want to do this thing for a living, you got to put in the work. So you got to be posting like everywhere you can, get as much exposure as you can, just do basically whatever it takes. Now the main thing I use now pretty much is eBay. There's Go, there's OfferUp, there's Mercari, there's Depop, and then there's one more really popular one. I forgot exactly what it's called, but it literally, if you guys just look up sneaker reselling, sneaker apps, whatever, then you'll get to see all the apps that'll come up. Today I'm just going to be showing you guys pretty much how to resell on eBay specifically. But if you guys have any questions, feel free to DM me on Instagram or drop a comment down below. Now with that being said, let's go on to eBay. So pretty much right here you can just see I'm on the home page of eBay. Bunch of shoes, that's literally all that I look up on eBay. There's some Asics, weak ass shoes, some 11s, what else, some 1s. But basically it's pretty easy. So like my eBay account there, you could search whatever you need to do. Notifications. I'm waiting on 2 people to send me payment. But basically you're going to create an eBay account, go to selling, list an item. Let's say, I don't know, let's just put in Jordan 1. Then a bunch of things are going to come up. And then like whatever Jordan you have, basically you can list it, create new listing. If it's new, obviously put whatever, but this part's pretty self-explanatory. Pre-owned, and then wait for this to load. Basically you just want to go to your photos, and then like we'll just pick this, or no, we'll pick this since it's Jordan 1. Upload. And then these are bricks, by the way. Do not buy these. So when you click done, basically list it. It's pretty self-explanatory from here on out. Jordan 1, high, craft, whatever. But one thing I do a lot, actually a lot of people do. So like say you want to come up with a good title, you don't really know like the tag, like say you're not at home, you don't know the tag, whatever, like the number, I forgot exactly what it's called. So say we have these right here. Pretty much you just copy their shit, and basically it's like click on this, go to the selling, your draft or whatever, copy, paste. Oh, I don't know why it's not pasting. Paste. There you go. And then it'll just basically, that's like the most popular search, so it's gonna come up whenever you search for a shoe or whatever. And then item specifics, you want to try and fill out as much as you can. I'm just gonna fill this out just because. But brand, you would put Jordan, and you would put the shoe size, style, sneaker, color, whatever color it is, white, black, I don't know. Department, they're gonna put type, athletic, whatever. Customize, no. Style code, I don't know what that is, to be honest, but like if y'all do, you can fill it in. Product line, you put Jordan, Nike, whatever. UK, I don't do that. I just pick a random number, to be honest. I just pick like 9.5, you know. But that's besides the point. And model, Air Jordan 1, then country, region, manufacturer. Basically, you guys get it. You fill out as much as you can, as much as you know about the shoe, and then it'll come up more in like the search and everything. Description, just put like OGL, DS, size, whatever, blah, blah, blah. Basically whatever there is about the shoe, if there's any flaws, if there's laces missing, if whatever. Then turn off auction. I made the mistake of when I first started like selling on eBay, I would always put auction on, and then like, yeah, just don't put it on. So then you want to make it buy now and then list the price right here. Then easy. I don't do this, but this will like drop the price pretty much, like if you're not selling it. Offers, you can put the lowest offer at whatever. Say like you paid $80 for a shoe, you want to at least make your money back, you can put like 70 or 80, whatever, that's up to you guys. Then quantity, 1 obviously, or however many shoes you guys have. Delivery, you could do local pickup or ship. Then you would put like the dimensions or whatever, or just click, I don't know the dimensions of package, I think it is. Handling time, you get to choose. Then your location, and then yeah, pretty much it. You just list your item, and then it'll basically, let me show you guys, it'll look like this pretty much. It'll load, yeah. And then once you sell something, this is gonna come up, and it's gonna say like whatever, like you have sent a buyer, or your item is sold, buyer waiting for payment, or seller waiting for payment, sorry. And then you're gonna see all of these things like mark as paid, mark as shipped, whatever. Do not ship if anyone has not sent you the money, because there's a lot of scammers. Like I put up like 8 shoes when I first started selling on here. Instantly, in like a couple hours, a bunch, like so many people were texting me, and I was like holy shit. But is pretty much, I accepted the offers and would go through them, and they were all just scammers. They wouldn't wait. They would like text me like, hey, like this is my WhatsApp number, blah blah blah, I have a couple questions. Don't accept those, whatever you guys do. So then you'll get this, and then basically if they send you the payment, you can mark it as shipped, do whatever, package it up, and then go ahead and sell it. If you guys stayed to the end, make sure to give it a like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That was pretty much just a simple like tutorial how to sell on eBay. I could do plenty more videos of like this in the future if you guys want to see me do like OfferUp or Go, StockX, whatever you guys want. But there's a lot of apps. Make sure you guys go on the App Store, look up some apps. And then, I mean, you pretty much just got to put in some work if you want to make it work. Now, if you stayed to the end of the video, I appreciate you guys. I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And make sure to check out my Instagram. Link will be in the description. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.